Hey bosses, it's Nina. And so today we're going to talk all about Pinterest boards, how to organize them, how to update them to get more views. In my previous videos, I talked about how you can go ahead and delete and archive and merge them, but let's look at how you actually set them up for success by making them searchable. Because remember, hashtag everything is searchable. So I'm gonna go to my boards on Pinterest. Notice I've been adding a few more boards, adding a couple of items. Again, I will be adding board covers a little bit later. But what I want to look at is how to get more views. Let's actually look at something that's straightforward. Canva graphic design. I'm going to edit it there. Now, the next thing we want to do is find some keywords, or in other words, we want to find what people are looking for as it relates to Canva graphic design. So in order for you to do this, the best way is to use SEO tools like Longtail Pro, what else? Google keyword search and all those other kind of SEO tools. But for just a quick fix, when you're doing your Pinterest boards, one of the ways you can find out what people are searching for is to go to Google, and I'm going to open my Google as a guest window. So what this means is it's not going to track what I'm doing. It's not going to take into consideration the things I've already searched, any of those things. So I'm going to go ahead and Google, and I'm just going to start with Canva, and notice it says Canva app, Canva logo. Let's say Canva graphic. Okay, Canva graphic design, and you'll notice that they have a couple of those down there. Canva graphic design and poster, invitation maker. So I'm just going to type in Canva graphic design, and I noticed when I was doing this earlier that Canva graphic design tools is on there. So I'm just going to take that name, right? And I'm going to place that as the name of my board. And I'm also going to include that in the description. So here you'll see that the name is Canva Graphic Design Tools. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my keywords in here in this area. Now, as you're adding your descriptions, you don't just want to add the same phrase over and over again. You just want to kind of sprinkle it throughout your description to make sure it's easily found by Google search and Pinterest search and all those other things. However, I am going to include enough where people can search. So for instance, I wanted to include the words Canva, design, I want to spell absolutely correct, design, I wanted to add drag and drop, templates, social media graphics, printable marketing, basically things that entrepreneurs would be searching for when they're trying to figure out how to use Canva. So I'm going to save this, and this is what I want to show you. Once you're in your board, you can actually share the specific board. I'm going to click that button up at the top, and you'll see that I can change the image. In this case, I'm going to wait until I create my boards to do this, but you can actually download the pin code as well. So if this is maybe a group board, you can post it in your Facebook group, your Instagram, your Twitter, asking people to join. You could put it on a business card in your signature, whatever you think would promote your boards more. You can even put it on your website. It's just a great way to promote your boards. Notice I have multiple people in here. So if you want to join this Canva graphic design tutorial board, just let me know. I'm actually going to put a note in here. If you want to join group boards or you want to create a group board, usually all I do is I put in here group board. If you'd like to contribute, please email me, or you can say message me. Let's say message me with a request, right? And then if I do turn this into a larger group board, you can also put any of your instructions or rules there, but think a little bit more, I guess, outside of the box. So you can create communities on your Pinterest boards, little mini communities and cultures based on just adding your description and your key terms and all of the posts and pins that you're adding here. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, take a look at other videos in this series. We're going to go through how to organize your Pinterest, how to pin quickly, how to create covers, all of those kind of things. All right.